As winter approaches and temperatures start to drop, it's more important than ever to make sure your boiler is ready for the cold months ahead. Every year, over 100,000 boilers break down in England alone, costing households an estimated £32 million in repairs. With 1 in 5 people worried about paying their energy bills this winter, spotting boiler problems early could make all the difference in keeping your home warm and your costs down. Energy experts at Quotezone are encouraging homeowners to carry out some simple checks before the coldest weather hits. Catching common boiler red flags now can help you avoid unexpected breakdowns, expensive repairs, and higher energy bills when you need your heating the most. So, what should you be looking out for? First, keep an eye on your energy bills. If you notice your heating costs going up without any change in how much you're using, your boiler might not be running efficiently. Older boilers, especially those over 10 years old, often have lower efficiency ratings and need to work harder to heat your home. While replacing an old boiler can be a good investment, regular servicing can help keep it running smoothly for longer. Next, check the pilot light. It should burn as a steady blue flame. If it's flickering, yellow, orange, or has gone out completely, this could signal incomplete combustion, which is a serious safety concern. Always check your boiler's manual or look up your model online to see what a healthy flame should look like, and contact a professional if you're unsure. Leaks are another warning sign. Any water pooling under your boiler or damp patches nearby could mean there's a problem with internal components. Even small drips can lead to bigger issues like low system pressure, reduced heating performance, and a shorter boiler lifespan. If you spot any leaks, switch off your boiler and call a qualified engineer. Condensation is also something to watch for. Excess moisture on windows, walls, or vents near your boiler could mean it's not venting properly. This can lead to damp and mold in your home, so it's important to address any condensation issues quickly. If your boiler is turning off by itself, don't ignore it. This could be due to low water pressure, blockages, or air trapped in your radiators. These problems can make your heating unreliable and more expensive to run. Finally, listen for strange noises or smells. Banging, clunking, or whistling sounds might mean there's a buildup of limescale or a water pressure issue. Any bad smells could indicate a dangerous carbon monoxide leak, which needs immediate attention. Don't forget, regular servicing is not just about efficiency. It's often required to keep your home insurance valid. And if you're a landlord, you have a legal responsibility to service the boiler at least once a year for your tenant's safety. Taking a few minutes now to check for these common boiler red flags can help you avoid costly repairs, keep your home warm, and give you peace of mind this winter.
Quotezone. Find a better deal